Hello everyone. Welcome to the BSc Classes Studies channel. Here I am standing to present you some terminologies which students are facing while explaining about the flower concept. So typical flower includes various points to study. First we will discuss about their introduction. So what is this introduction consist? So generally these flowers adds beauty to the nature. For human being, we love flowers, various kinds of flowers we have in our gardens, in market. So various forest also consist various types of flowers. These flowers are nothing but the pollination machinery. So the flower are required by the plant in order to attract the insects. So pollination can take place in fast way. So first of all, what is flower? So the image is showing that the flower is consisting various parts. So main part which is below to the other organs is the stalk of the flower. So some flower consists the stalk in order to distinguish themselves from the peduncle. So some flowers shows presence of stalk known as pedicelated flower, while some flowers do not show any kind of stalk. As photograph indicate, there are two flowers. One is pedicelated and other flower is non-pedicelated. Non-pedicelated flower are known as sessile flowers. So the flower is nothing but the modified shoot. You can write for the definition of flower. The flower is modified shoot means the leaves which are modified into the various part of the flowers. So the flower consists various parts. Here I am writing the points which I am going to cover here in short video. The parts of the flower in the photograph you can see the base, just we have seen the pedicel. Above to the pedicel you can see the greenish structure which is known as the calyx of the flower. Above to the calyx you will find the colorful region which is known as petal of the flower. These or corolla of the flower. This calyx and corolla are the accessory organ of that flower. So apart from this accessory organ, you will find at the top of the flower there are reproductive organs which are known as necessary organs, mainly male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ. So these male and female reproductive organs are performing the role for production of the gametes. The male reproductive organ is known as stamen and female reproductive organ are known as carpel. The stamen and carpel, corolla and calyx, here we are going to discuss in a detailed way. So after looking at the part in just a brief manner, we will discuss about them in later. So after looking at the part, we will see the symmetry of the flower. The symmetry means what? The photograph shows two different types of flowers. One flower is perfectly circular and another flower shows not perfection in their circular manner. So the circular flower, if you cut from any point through their axis means through their center, the flower will show two equal parts. Such flowers are known as actinomorphic flower. And on other hand, the flower, if you cut from the center, you will find there are two parts, but if you cut from different angle, you won't find two equal parts. Such flowers are known as zygomorphic flower. So actinomorphic flowers and zygomorphic flower are two different types of flowers which you can see exist in the nature. And some flowers in nature shows various diversity in their formation. So the question is why flowers are in tremendous forms, in diverse forms. The answer is in order to attract the pollinators, plants are producing these flowers. Each plant have unique strategy behind this. And as I have seen that the plants shows actinomorphic and zygomorphic flower. The actinomorphic flowers are considered as radially symmetrical flower. Radial means in circular fashion, and zygomorphic flowers are known as bilaterally symmetrical flower. Here I have just shown you the 3 points which you will find helpful in order to understand the flower concept. We will meet in next video regarding more about the flower. Thank you.